Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix iPhone Bluetooth connection issues. So when you're having issues with Bluetooth just not connecting to your iPhone, then here are some easy ways in order to fix this. So fix number 1 and 2 are really easy, but what you need to do is to simply enable and disable your Bluetooth a few times in a row. Just do that, and once you've done that, you need to restart your phone by holding your power button and your volume up button till the screen goes dark, and then you can just restart it again. And restarting your phone and turning on Bluetooth and turning off Bluetooth will sometimes just basically refresh your Bluetooth and sometimes fixes any connection issues. Now, if you've already done that, then the second thing I would recommend doing is going into settings, Bluetooth, and I'm going to quickly connect my AirPods because it's really important what I'm going to do right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my AirPods, right this. And what you then need to do is open Control Center, and then at the top right you have this AirPlay button basically. And what you need to do is you need to make sure that the check mark is actually set to. If it's not, then it literally just means that your Bluetooth is still not going to work. So make sure that the check mark is always set to your AirPods once they connected. Now, if you've already done that, or if that already happened and your Bluetooth is still not working, then what you need to do is basically go to that device you want to connect, click on that eye icon, scroll all the way to the downside till you find forget this device, click on it. And what you then need to do is click on forget the device, and then you can simply boot it again basically, and reconnect with your phone, and maybe that fixes the issue. Now, if that is also still not fix your issue, then what you can simply do is heading over into general, and then you need to click on software update because maybe you just need to update your phone. When you're on a really late iOS update and you need to update a few iOSs above you, then just make sure to do that, because at some point your AirPods and your iPhone will not be compatible anymore, because your AirPods are just looking for an iOS that is just not on your phone. So just make sure to always update to the latest version. And if you've already done that as well, then the last thing I would recommend doing is going into general, scrolling down, click on transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset, and then click on reset network settings. Once you've done that, it will reset all your network settings, including your Bluetooth, and most of the time this fixes all of the issues, including Bluetooth connection. So yeah, I would recommend doing that. And basically that's all I have for you guys. So please let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you. And if you still need any help, I'm happily helping you out. And yeah guys, that being said, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.